Alright guys, so you remember we were in Golden Springs earlier? So this is a spin up. Remember I was telling you guys he also does this in Portmore. So we're here in Portmore right now, and I'm gonna show you guys the kind of food they have. So this is the hottest spot in Portmore. Here we are right here. And you guys should have seen the rush. And these are all the different things they have available. Everything here is good. Festival, Bami. Talk to me, chef. How long have you been working with the company? No, I want to talk to you. We're making the festival.
Started from Friday.
Yeah.
I'd say not very bad.
Okay.
Already doing things.
You like it? You like so far being a part of the team? Okay, that's excellent. All right, so we're gonna go interview the chef and see what he puts in the food to make it taste so good. All right. Chef. There's the chef right here, one of the chefs. So as you can see, they're putting in coal. That's one of the big sellers. Usually it's very busy, very busy. So this is just one of the times where, you know, like it kind of dies down every so often and then start back up again. And you can get jerk chicken, pork, everything. This is a must-try spot. You have to come here. And let me show you guys the surrounding area so you have a good idea of how to get here. So this is where it is in Portmore, right here. What's the name of this mall? What is the name of this mall? Okay, yeah, so it's right beside RT Plaza. You can't miss it. So come between RT. All right. Okay. What's up, friend? Psst. Psst. Remember me? What's up? Why are you so off to yourself? You're in your own head? No? You're good? You sure?
Let's. If you're gonna market, I'm not getting away.
Alright guys, we're just gonna go and show you the food while it's being prepared. What are you making here?
Friday.
French fries. Yeah. We're gonna talk to the head chef shortly. Yeah guys, this is a spot you have to come to. Look at this.
We're making festival here.
This is the boss himself. You guys remember him when we went to Golden Springs? So this is the second location. And they're here Fridays and Saturdays. Yeah. And this boss is very hands-on. He doesn't just delegate. He's very hands-on.
So we're out here working as a team.
Answer the phone for him. So these guys work as a team together. And here's all the chicken. This looks good. And here's some of the ladies that is part of the team. Putting in the work. My favorite is this one right here in orange. She has the best smile, but she doesn't like to smile. Yeah. Guys, talk to me. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm sharing a jerk pork and jerk chicken with rice and
Okay, awesome. What about you?
but I'm sharing a jerk chicken with fries. And I wait for the fries to put with the jerk chicken.
Alright, you guys hear that? That sounds awesome. Jerk chicken with fries. Guys, you guys got to come here. You got to come here. Friday, Saturday, doesn't matter where you're coming from. You got to be in Portmore, NUNU'S restaurant. Yeah. And as you guys hear that, from 7 p.m. to 3 p.m. in the morning. And this is their second spot. Remember I said they have their restaurant in Golden Springs as well. So you guys, if you're in Golden Springs, you can check out NUNU'S. If you're in Portmore, you can do the drive. They're here as well. And trust me, when you come here, try the tonka meal. Try, what else? The soup. Those are my two favorite, tonka meal and the soup. You're not gonna be disappointed. Where's the chef? Chef, come talk to me. So this is the head chef we're gonna talk to, right? He's gonna give us a little bit about the preparation to come here. All right, introduce yourself. Let the people them know who's making the amazing food.
Well, I'm the chef Roderick. Originated from Golden Spring, born and bred. As a youngster growing up, at the age of about 4, I used to in the kitchen with my great-great-grandmother. Always seeing her cooking, and I always want to know what cooking is all about, you know, because when you cook, you have that sweet aroma, you understand? So always want to cook, you know, as a good cook, and I always watch her, and you know, as I grow up, you know, more and more, you know, I start to go in the kitchen and I start to watch, and then automatically, you know, I just love to cook, you know, and I realize cooking is an art, it's a gift, and you know, so I just love to cook, you know, I love to see people happy, you know, when you have that great taste and just smile, that's what let me get up out of my bed like early in the morning, because I get up like 4 o'clock every morning to go to NUNU'S smokehouse and to prepare like breakfast in the morning, then lunch, and then prepare again lunch to come on the road. Right through the night, go back again into Golden Spring, go right back to the kitchen again, prepare breakfast again. So chef work is very hard work, you know, but when you love it and you want to, you know, when you want to see the smile on the people and face, then, you know, sometimes you have to have a little, you know, lose a little nitrous just to see the people happy, you know, because when people are happy, when them eat and them happy, you know, it just gives you the drive to go on, you understand? So, you know, and I love Portmore, you know, Portmore people make me just want to cook more. You know, they just love the cooking, and you know, when them talk about how the food tastes good, it just let me just feel overwhelmed about that.
Awesome. Okay, chef, we want you to show us some of the things you're preparing. So take us into the kitchen and show us some of the things that you started to prepare or what you've already finished preparing. All right, guys, this is the good part. We're gonna see all the amazing food that the chef prepared and is about to prepare.
Well, actually, most of the food that is already eaten by Portmore people. You know, we prep like oxtail and bean, curry mutton. We have like saltfish, cook up saltfish, onion and tomato and all of that. We have ackee and saltfish. And you know, we have like, as you can see, the festival, and we have the fried plantain, and we have the fried bread food that the people them love the most. And then now the jerk chicken now. Actually these soon ready, and we have those at the back we are just put in. So we have to keep it coming. So meanwhile this getting prepared to ready, we have these one here. You understand, to ready to come again. So we can't afford to run out, because Portmore people love them chicken.
They love their chicken. It looks amazing.
Yes, and they're very juicy and suckling, you know.
You guys see that? Wow.
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
Yes, you know, this is the breast.
So tell them where they can find you.
Well, you can find me at Golden Spring, NUNU'S Smokehouse, Golden Spring. It's very easy to find. I mean, once you come and ask for NUNU'S Smokehouse, I mean, it's the best eating restaurant in Golden Spring right now. You understand? And even in Portmore, the people are saying that since we come to Portmore, you know, they are starting getting good food. And you know, we are seeing where the crowd has improved over the past weeks. I mean, over the past week, after the flood, we come back to Portmore, realize that we see the crowd, you know, getting increased and more. So I guess the word going around about the good eating food from NUNU'S Smokehouse, let the Portmore people keep wanting more and more and keep on coming for more. And I will be here preparing for you.
That's awesome. So what is the more desirable things that people want? Like, is the jerk chicken what everybody's buying? Like, tell me, what when somebody's coming here for the first time, what do you recommend they get? First time coming here.
All right, tell you what, most time like people always come out and ask like a chicken, and you know, but we have like different. We have like ackee and saltfish. We're very rare people come and get that, you know, like on the street. And we have like cook up saltfish. We have barbecue pigtail. We have barbecue ribs. You know, so all of these things now let the people them want to come out, because on this stretch of road, most of the jerk, as them are done just chicken. And since you come to Portmore, I get to understand that we have the best eating pork. Right now, the best eating pork. And trust me, you have to taste it to believe it. I mean, the pork is so delicious. I'm a pork man.
So what are the, can you tell us about the ingredients that you're putting in the pork to make it so amazing, or is it a secret? Or you can give us a little bit of an idea.
Well, tell you what, seasoned with straight organic seeds like scallion and thyme, pepper, pimento, and all of that, and marinate. Once you get your pork, you marinate, put it down, because we normally season our pork and put it down to marinate for like 2, 3, 4 days or even more. So all of that season just built in. So when you put it on the grill, you don't get all that aroma. And then actually we have Walker Zone. You don't have to pick up Walker Zone, you know, because it's one of the seeds that I use to enhance my pork. And then now we have a little secret, you know, I have a little secret sauce that I make with the people asking about the secret sauce for the pork, you know. I mean,
we can't give away the secret, guys.
No,
so
I mean, one guy came here and he said, look, I'm going to bring a cup every time I come, I must always fill my cup, because when he carry it home, anything he wife will take my secret sauce and put in it.
His wife is going to get
yeah. So come to Portmore. Right here at the spot. You won't regret it.
So we're with the chef right now, as you heard him say. Chicken, pork, all the amazing food. My recommendation, if you visit for the first time, you have to try the soup. You have to try the tongue meal. You gotta try the pork. If you're a meat lover, to me, everything is good. Everything is good. What else would you recommend?
For a first-time person visiting for the first time, what food would you recommend they have to try? Absolutely have to try.
Trust me, everything is great. Everything is great, because one gentleman came here and he ordered chicken and his wife ordered pork. He says he's not a really lover of pork. And he tastes piece of the pork and he give back the chicken and said he want pork. So you see, once you taste anything at all, the taste is excellent. Taste is on top of the food chain.
Okay, chef, do you want to show us anything else that you want us to see? Anything what the people say? What are all the things you're doing here for the night?
Well, actually, as I said, most of the food is already gone. You understand? So now we only have actually pork right now and chicken.
Yeah.
So we can go on to the pork stand.
Everything,
So, and as you can see, the drum actually empty.
That's a good thing.
Actually, about 12:15.
Yeah, 4:43.
All right. So, and you see, everything actually gone. All the pork is gone. That to show you how suckling and how nice this pork is. And I have to bring some more pork.
Yeah.
I have to bring some more pork.
So is this pork, is that it for the night, or there's more? Can people, like say for example you come here 1 o'clock, are you able to get a variety, or you recommend they come a little earlier?
Well, most of the time we have food like right up till like 2 o'clock, 2:30. But I realize that we start to have more people coming in now. So you have more mouths, so they start to eat more. So I have to start to look about more now, because I realize that more people coming out. You understand? And it's all about because the taste of the food.
Yeah.
You understand? So Portmore is the place to come.
All right, chef, thank you so much. As you guys hear, come out early. If you want a variety, come out early. If you want a variety of things, you have to come out early. The pork is amazing, and once again, here's a hands-on owner.
Say something to the people. Where can they find it? What are the time you recommend for them?
Good night, everyone. Welcome to our mobile smoker. This is what we do on a Friday night between 7 p.m. and 3 a.m. in the morning. We're out here in Portmore trying to provide you lovely people with an enjoyable meal. I can't sing, I can't dance, so I try to cook. Thank you, have a good night, and subscribe to our program.
I want you guys to come out, do better than that. I want you to show up. If you can't make it to Golden Springs, you can make it to Portmore. You have to try this food, it's amazing.
Look at this pork. Oh my God.
Something I would say, on a personal note, there's food that I don't like, and I've tried it here and I start to like it. For example, turned cornmeal. I would have never ate that, and I tried it here and I love that. You know, so come out, check it out. You're not gonna be disappointed, and make sure you guys come out early as well. If you come out early, you'll have your choice of food.
Have any of you guys ever eaten here before? Is this your first time eating here? Is your first time eating here? Do you mind if I interview you just to talk about how you feel about the food? Oh, you don't like the camera? I understand. Thank you. Thank you. Have you eaten here before? Yeah? Do you mind if I interview you just talk about the food? Let's give you a number, man. You might get a lot of girls out here. Have you ever eaten here before? Yeah.
I'm trying to interview some people, but everyone is shy, you know? I'm trying to interview some of the customers.
Yes. How do you guys feel about the pork?
Yeah, man, it's bad, man.
So, elaborate a little bit. Well, I know you say you're a chef.
Yeah, so, well, what we can see here, it is pretty done properly, you see me? Because, you know, you don't really see nothing worth really turning off in a no suspicious way still. Thank you very much. You see me? So, at the end of the day, we don't really know how them really prepare it, but as we can see here, them have a pretty good job done here, you see me? Yeah, man, good taste.
Good, yeah, man.
I know the bami is good. They soak it in vanilla or something. Yeah.
And the spice.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
I'm telling you guys, man, you guys have to come here. Either you're in Golden Spring or you come to Portmore. I'm not exaggerating. Everything tastes good.
Yeah, man.
And this is a man from St. Elizabeth, so he knows good meat. He knows good pork. Yeah.
And the bami bad, you know?
Yeah.
Bad with the coconut milk.
You heard that? You know it's official. A man from St. Elizabeth said
The food, and this is a professional chef. Talk to the people.
Man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Should come and try it out.
Yeah, man.
NUNU'S Smoke Shop. You have to come out. NUNU'S. Either in Golden Spring or you come catch them out in Portmore.
Friday, Saturday, they're right here.
But you gotta make sure you come early though, because if you come too late, you're not gonna have a lot of options. Even though there will still be food here. Right now it's 12:48, so right now it's just chicken and pork. So you gotta come out early if you want a variety. Yeah. And even the grill they use. I've never seen a grill like this in Jamaica before. This grill looked like one of those foreign grill, you know, like something you find in Texas, to show you how
they do their thing different. Look at that grill. Now, where have you ever seen a grill like this in Jamaica? Never.
you guys gotta come out and check it out, you know. Yeah. You wanna be in my video? Come tell me how the food is. The guys, they're very, very shy, you know.
Yeah. And look, they come with a big truck with all their equipment.
Yeah, man. I want you guys to share the video, like the video, subscribe. You need NUNU'S Smokehouse to get the recognition that they deserve, because they do great work.
And they have everything. breadfruit, festival, bami, everything. And you see they prepare everything in advance. Yeah.
And they work really good as a team. You guys are not going to be disappointed. I want you guys to come out, come give them the support they deserve. Yeah, look at this grill, man. I can't get over this grill.
Have your fries, festival,
Your bami, everything. Everything. Alright guys, so I'm gonna dive into this food and get back to you guys. So like, subscribe, share the video. And once again, NUNU'S Smokehouse. Main location is in Golden Springs and Stony Hill. And then they're here Saturday and Fridays, right here in Portmore, right next to RT Plaza. You can't miss it. Right next to RT Plaza. So just Google RT Plaza and it'll take you right here. Alright guys. Yeah, put it on there. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. I'm your marketing guy. You haven't met me yet.
Of course I met you.
Have you?
Yes.
Were you there that time?
I met you.
Really? This looks amazing. Got some champagne, some cake. Birthday on Wednesday, birthday on Friday. That's what happens when 1 week a birthday, 2 days, but technically 1 week. I'm grateful though. That's when you know good people. This is awesome. So just to let you guys know what's going on here, my birthday was on Wednesday, so the owner, he decided to put together this for me, and I'm so grateful. This is why I want you guys to go out and support this business, because this man, he is different. He truly cares. He cares about his community. He cares about his country. He cares about his workers, and that's very refreshing. And all of this was made possible by him. The cake, the food, the liquor. It's just a different environment. Yeah.
I wish you had some champagne glasses.
You should have told me I could have bring some.
You don't want none of this shit. Look at you. You're doing that, right? But that was for you though, you know.
Yeah. My friend, you really made me feel good, man.
It's for you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Right. Hey, babe.
Come on down.
Shop.
Yeah.
You missed the whole thing.
I know the popping. Your husband did it big. It made me feel really good, man.
Listen, man, this is
Thank you.
Where's the other cup? Oh,
Yeah.
here we are. Give this to Sir Thomas.
Yeah. Much respect, man. Good friends.
Take one out. This one didn't go like that. One above tea.
Yeah. Drink. This is awesome.
Let's try this one, Mike. Mike.
Sure, I'm ready. Here's my cup.
Man, come on.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. No excuses.
You don't like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's a red one.
This one is really good. It tastes the grape.
I know. Call Rihanna.
Have a cup ready for it.
Yeah, thank you, man. Cheers. You go to the gym? Alright. Look like you work out. Thank you. Much respect. Yeah, thank you. Awesome. All made possible.
Blessings.
Thank you, my brother. Much respect. It is, eh? You don't go back and forth? As you used to. Well, you got me now, you know, so if you ever want to come, just say the word. Yes. Even the way you cut cake is amazing. The way you cook is amazing. And the way you cut is amazing. Perfect. Huh?